Hello folks, how you doing? Welcome back to the Heine House. Today I'm doing an unboxing, review, and showcase of the Monoprice Dark Matter Nova mobile gaming headset. That's a mouthful there. We're gonna take a look at what's inside the box, what it comes with, and then we're gonna actually plug them in, test them out, see how they sound, and see if it is really a good deal or not. They're designed for mobile gaming, but they also work with iOS, Android, Switch, and also consoles. So is this going to be a gaming headset that will function and work pretty well for 25 bucks? I don't know, let's go find out. So as we jump inside the box, it comes with the Nova gaming headset itself, a detachable boom microphone, a 6.5-foot mic extension cable, and this is something I really like too. It comes with 3 different size ear hooks and earbuds to match. This is a nice touch. It has basically small, medium, and large. It comes with the medium ones by default installed already on there. And then, of course, it comes with the manual. Has this nice little manual here to show a picture of how everything works, how the microphone attaches to the earphones themselves. It does show that it has a mic pinhole on the microphone itself that should be directed inwards towards you, and also shows the inline volume up, volume down, and play and pause controls there. And taking a look at the specifications, a couple of noteworthy things here. The headset itself, it has a 10mm driver, has a 22 ohm impedance, and it says it has a frequency range of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. The microphone itself has a 60 dB signal to noise ratio, and it runs on 2 volts there. All right, so let's jump right over to their website here and take a look at their page here. $24.99. Currently, as of recording this, they're offering free standard shipping. Only have 3 reviews, but reviews aren't that great. But you know, let's jump in. I always like to give everything a fair shot. We can see some of the pictures here. There's the boom mic. Here we are, designed an all-in-one gaming headset. Obviously showing mobile phones, laptops, computers, consoles. There's an Xbox controller there. There's their 10mm driver. You know, just the sales pitch stuff here. What I do like about this, though, is that, for one, they give you this extension cable, which then it's almost like a breakout cable. It separates the audio and the microphone, splits it off into 2 so that you can plug it directly into your PC, which is what I'm going to test it on today. We have the inline remote, which this is going to control transport controls on your cell phone. And then, oh, there's a good shot of it right there. So there's a shot of the breakout cable. So I am currently wearing them right now. I wanted to put them on and wear them for, you know, as long as I can, expecting that I would have some sort of fatigue or issues. And to be honest, I don't at all. They're very lightweight. They're very comfortable. The silicone ear cups are fantastic. Honestly, they're very, very nice. And I've worn some very expensive in-ear monitors from various brands, but these feel really nice. I can see myself doing a long gaming session with them in, no problem at all. I've got to hand it to them. They're very, very comfortable. I usually have issues because I have big ears, and also I have big ear canals, if you will. So I always have issues. Like, I can't wear Apple's earbuds, or any earbuds for that matter, at all. They always just fall out of my ears, or they don't seal right. So I've had nothing but issues. That's why I prefer having like really nice over the ear headphones on pretty much everything that I do. But this, I'm using the medium earbuds, and they fit just perfect. So I think this could really accommodate any type of ear canal that you have. So let's just like jump over here real quick to see what the reviews are. Just a real quick, like, give a little preemptive here. Someone's saying here, bad headphones, Mike. Purchased these, used on the computer, used on a phone, computer, and both have really bad hiss. Mike also has a ton of echo, wouldn't recommend. This person here says, great for business calls and video chats. Participants could hear him clearly. Okay, great. 2 stars. Xbox Live Party members complained of echo from the microphone when plugging into an Xbox controller with a 3.5mm jack. So, all right, so there gives us a little idea. And I never judge a product solely on reviews, but you know, unless they're swayed one way, overly negative, then we'll maybe some truth to that. But let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to mute this mic here, and we're going to jump in to take a listen to this mic here. Okay, here we are listening to the Monoprice Nova mobile gaming headset. First of all, I don't want you to freak out, because this microphone here is much higher quality microphone. Also, I have lots of processing on that microphone. So let's take a step back and try to reassess where we're coming from as far as quality. We are talking about a microphone that is intended for and is $25 with free shipping. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. However, we're starting to have audio issues though. I can already hear some audible feedback, almost like I have it plugged into my PC and I can hear it's either with bad shielding or something in line, because I can hear the inner workings of my computer. When I do things, when I bring up new pages you can actually hear, if I open up a few tabs here, like, let's just go to my website, let's click around. Hear all that? Not great. Now this is specifically done with PC, so maybe on mobile it will have different results. I'll plug into Stephanie's phone. She has an Android phone with a headphone jack, and we'll test it there. Yeah, I feel that, you know, you're not really going to be using it necessarily for PC gaming. I was thinking maybe, you know what, it could be a nice alternative if you need something low profile just to plug in. You know, plug into maybe a pack, like a recorder, if you have like a little Tascam recorder, a mobile recorder. If you're doing like a remote or something out in the field, you could plug in, have something that's not too intrusive to do maybe a local or in the field recording. You know, if you do some processing to it, you might be able to make it sound a little bit better. I don't know if this necessarily passes. I think we have some artifact and some weird sounds going on, and definitely I hear kind of the hiss that other reviewer was talking about. All right, let's go ahead and jump in and see if we can listen to some music, and I'll see how they sound. Okay, so I'm just listening to some music here off my website, and I'm trying to adjust, and that kind of makes sense. Think about this here does not function when plugged into a PC. I didn't think about that and turned the music on just a second ago, and it basically blew my head off. Please be careful. We do not want hearing loss here. As far as the driver's sound, though, as far as the audio is concerned, the sound of audio is very subjective, right? But to my ear, it actually sounds really, really good. It has nice, warm, low bass. The highs may be a little bright, but other than that, I mean, it's a pretty good sounding set of earbuds all the way around. Part of that is because these earbuds are just so nice, and they feel really, really great in the ear canal. In fact, I bought a set of JBL wireless ones recently to use Bluetooth ones. They are 4 times the cost of these, and I hate the way they sound, and that sucks because I love JBL. I have JBL monitors over here. I grew up with JBL. My dad had JBLs. We have bookshelf JBL speakers, and so like I know that they make a great product, but man, I did not like the Bluetooth earbuds. I preferred the sound of these over those, as crazy as that sounds. All right, so to recap, so where are we? Should I switch back to the other mic? Let's do it. Where are we with these? What are the pros and cons? Well, they're comfortable, they're lightweight, they sound really good. You can detach the microphone. You don't have to use the microphone if you don't want to. Here we go. Boom, there it goes. And you have a nice set of very sleek, comfortable, low profile earbuds. Honestly, I would use these for just audio if needed. If you have somewhere where you need to put them underneath, like say you ride like a motorcycle and you have a helmet or something very, very low profile, it would be functional for that. For what it is, I think it's okay, but it's definitely not great. We definitely have some issues, either shielding or something like that. You can definitely hear some hiss and artifacts when plugged into PC. As a standalone set of earbuds, I think $25 is a good price for them. I mean, honestly, you know, you can go to like Five Below or Dollar Tree and pick up just little earbuds there, and they get the job done for like way cheaper. But I do think that this is nice. It has a braided cable as well, which is really cool to see. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reconnect this microphone, make sure the pinhole's lined up, which it is. I'm gonna plug these into Stephanie's phone, and I'm gonna record myself on her voice recorder, and then I'm gonna insert this audio clip into the video in post. Check. All right, I see that it has a waveform showing on the screen. So that means that it is, oh, you probably can't see that. But yeah, it is recording. Hopefully it sounds good. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop, and I'm gonna insert this audio file in the video right here. Check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check. All right, I see that it has a waveform showing on the screen. So that means that it is, oh, you probably can't see that. But yeah, it is recording. Hopefully it sounds good. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop, and I'm gonna insert this audio file in the video right here. I just did a quick listen to it through the headphones here, and it sounds way better on mobile. Way better. Like, I didn't hear any of that artifact, any of the hissing, any issues there. So it's very, very clear, folks. This product is aimed specifically, and it says it is. I mean, it's not like it's, you know, lying about it. It is aimed to mobile gaming. If you're playing Call of Duty or PUBG Mobile or any of those other mobile games, like this could be a great setup for you to use. Yeah, I don't think it's really intended for PC, which is fine, which is great because we have other solutions, a lot more solutions than you do on mobile. You guys know I love Monoprice. I think 75% of the cables in my studio are Monoprice. I've been buying stuff from them for easily 10 years now. They're great for that, and they make a lot of fantastic products, and they're very affordable. I would say that some of the stuff like this can be hit and miss, but again, it's for a very specific target market, and I think that if you're playing games on mobile and you want to communicate with your friends and play, this is a great product for that. Okay, thanks so much for watching. HeineHouse.com is the website. If you enjoy stuff like this, audio, tech, stuff like that, tune into my podcast every week, Heine House Gaming and Tech Podcast. It's a weekly show, and I also stream every week, 3 times a week on Twitch, twitch.tv/The Heine House. Come on by. We play great games. We hang out, and then on the podcast, we talk about tech and gaming and all sorts of stuff like this. I want to continue to help you guys out, create the best audio you can, because friends don't let friends have bad audio. I don't work that way. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye now.